Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to walk you through on how to use Cash App on Fortnite. If you want to use Cash App on Fortnite, you need to get a cash card from Cash App. Cash card is simply just a debit card provided by Cash App. To do that, open up your Cash App. You can see my screen might black out due to privacy and security reasons, but once you open up your Cash App and then go to your Get Credit Card tab there below, so click on the Get Credit Card Cash Card tab, and once you click on it here, now you will see an option called Get Free Card. So click on Get Free Card. So once you click on it, now choose the style of the card that you wish to apply and then hit on Order Card. And now you just need to provide the details of your address details, and so Cash App will send you this cash card. So once you have ordered this cash card and you have received it, so now all you have to do is simply go to your Fortnite site. So just open up Fortnite and log into your account. So once you have already logged into your account here, so what are you going to do? So let me log into mine. So I'm just going to log in. Okay, so once you've already logged in, so now what are you going to do? You're going to see this account page here. So under here, so click on the account tab, account option. So click on it, and then now once I've clicked on the account option, so this will load up this page here. So here, this one, and then now click on payment management. So click on it, and here you will see all your payment methods. So what happens? So here, scroll down to your payment methods, and then here you will see this credit card option here. So simply now what you have to do is simply select the credit card option. So select that, and then all you have to do now is just plug in the card details of your cash card from Cash App. So simply plug those details, and then you can save these details, and then you can use this card as your payment method for any purchases on Fortnite. So that's how you can use Cash App